Hi Leo. This is your reading for April 16 to 30, 2025. Let's take a look at your overall energy. Ano ang paparating sa inyo this April? Okay, you have the Four of Swords in upright position. I see someone na galing lang sa isang napaka-challenging situation. Maybe galing kayo sa isang breakup, heartache, and this time you are moving on and you are healing from that situation na very toxic, very uh, challenging at nakakaubos ng energy niyo. So this time you are going to heal yourself. You are thinking to move on. You are accepting the fact, accepting those things na nangyayari sa inyong life na hindi nyo makontrol. And think you're going to rest for a bit. Maybe in your professional work, in your career, you want to mag-enjoy muna at mag-relax muna and make time for yourself. Maybe you're planning into a vacation. And I also feel na um, you have this financial pause, like um, you are not yet willing to risk for any kinds of investment, any kinds of business. I think this next week or the 16 to 30 April, you're going to relax muna and you make time for yourself at iisipin nyo siguro na you have uh, to go on uh, uh, an area to relax, maybe on beach. You're planning to go on a beach or park, or just maybe stay at home and just take a rest. Ganun. And you feel satisfied. You feel safety because you are accepting all things and you are ready to move on, ready to receive new energy, new relationship, new transformation that is coming in your way. Okay, so let's get another card for clarification or another energy this coming April 16 to 30. Okay, you have the Knight of Cups in upright position. Okay. Okay. You have the Knight of Cups in upright position. So maybe someone is coming into your way after nyo mag-relax, after nyo maging single, after nyo mag uh, mag-vacation. Someone is going to offer you a new opportunity. Maybe it's a love life or a new job offer if you are looking for something na uh, pamatay oras, parang ganon. So someone is going to help you to enjoy life this coming 16 to 30. Someone is bringing here a cup of joy, a cup of something that is relatable sa inyong life. This could mean love life, new partnership, new friendship, ganon. And also, this is someone who is going to pursue you. Maybe if you're single, someone is ready to approach you and offer their love life, offer you a relationship. because this Knight of Cups represents proposal. Something is coming in your way, a job offer maybe, or relationship, financial offer, maybe a business idea. Maybe they want you to be a partner with a something. Okay. I also feel this going to be a creative work, maybe editing skills, maybe you are doing a digital things. Okay, I see someone who is very charming that is coming in your way to help you. And this Knight of Cup also means that you are following your heart. Maybe it's up to you if you're going to take this opportunity or not, or you just want to relax, or maybe after you feel um, after you have the energy, after you mag-relax, you're going to take it, and it's up to you to get this opportunity or not. It's up to you, Leo. Okay, so let's get in Mystic Forest Oracle cards for you for your guidance. What's your guidance for Leo this coming April 16 to 30, 2025? Behold beauty. When you insist that the world is hostile and others are your enemies, don't be surprised that it is so. Self fulfilling prophecies fortunately work both ways. Okay, so I think you have this card. Behold beauty, the universe is reminding you that you are enough, and don't just be carried away with those things. I see someone that you are going to accept your reality, and you're going to feel safe and secured, and you are fulfilling your prophecy, following your dreams, following your um, heart's desires or mind desires. So sabi ko sa dati, sabi ko sa before, it's up to you if you're going to take this opportunity or not, and it's up to you. You hold your own destiny. So that's why you have this behold beauty card, that the universe is reminding you that self-fulfilling prophecies. And it's up to you whether to take it or not. And that's your reading, Leo. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.